Yes, essentially everybody can find a utilization for a sewing machine. Whether you want to stitch too long pants or too long shades, monogram gifts, make child covers, or simply need to play with materials, a sewing machine will unfathomably grow what you can do. Also, in spite of the fact that there are some novice machines on this rundown, sewing machines are apparatuses that can keep going for a really long time with sufficient tolerance and care. The greater part of the specialists we addressed referenced the significance of support. All machines, regardless of anything, should get overhauled sooner or later, says verifiable costumer and anesthesiologist Christine Miller. Shops frequently represent considerable authority in brands or styles of machines, so you should know who's in your space who can really support your machine, since that is so significant. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you best sewing machines for beginners. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Singer brand. Sew fashions, piece quilts, create crafts or do simple mending with the reliable Singer M1500 sewing machine. Includes stitches for key sewing techniques, straight stitch, zigzag, blind hem stitch, multi-step zigzag, decorative scallop and a 4-step buttonhole. Stitches are clearly displayed on the stitch selector dial. Just turn the dial to select your stitch. Choose the stitch you want to sew, and you're ready to go. Stitch length and stitch width are preset for you, eliminating guesswork, perfect for the beginner. Buttonhole sewing is a simple 4-step process, clearly marked on the stitch selector dial, to help you make the buttonhole the size you need for your project. Simple to follow threading guides for winding the bobbin and threading the upper thread are conveniently marked directly on the machine. This internal rigid metal support keeps your machine stable and helps ensure long-lasting durability. The machine uses a Singer Class 15, transparent style, bobbin. Just place the bobbin into the bobbin holder, draw up the bobbin thread and you're ready to sew. Number 4 in our top is from the Poolin brand. The stitch length adjustment function can adjust the length of most stitches to extend more patterns. The larger the number, the wider the stitch length, and the buttonhole can be adjusted to between 0 and 1. In addition, the machine also selects stretch stitch patterns. Set the stitch length dial at S1 or S2. You can get a sturdy and good-looking stretch stitch. With the twin needle, you can stitch 2 rows simultaneously, creating various decorative effects. The double needle model is 2/90, which means the distance between the 2 needles is 2 mm, and the actual size is 90/14. Please note that the needle threader cannot be used when using the double needle function. The accessories are included in the accessory box. The professional sewing machine comes with a built-in needle threader. It allows optimizing the necessary time for needle threading and, therefore, optimizing sewing time and saving you a lot of hassle. Differ from other plastic frame sewing machines which can deteriorate quickly and be more difficult to repair. This Poolin full-sized sewing machine for beginners has an interior heavy-duty metal frame that makes it possible to provide long-lasting durability and stable performance at any speed. The heavy-duty interior metal frame and powerful motor provide long-lasting durability and allow you to sew through multiple layers of denim. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Singer brand. Enjoy a wide range of sewing techniques for creativity and customization. Choose from basic, stretch, and decorative stitches. Stitches are clearly displayed on the stitch selector dial. Just turn the dial to select your stitch. Stronger motor provides more power for sewing multiple layers and thicker fabrics. Sew up to 1,100 stitches per minute for extra speed when you need it. Great for larger projects with long seams and seam finishes. Accessories include the all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper or lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin felt, and soft-sided dust cover. Buttonhole sewing is so easy with reliable results every time. Just place the button in the buttonhole foot and the machine sews a buttonhole perfectly sized for that button. After effortlessly threading the machine, the built-in needle threader threads the eye of the needle without eye strain or frustration. The bobbin loads from the top, so it is easy to insert. The clear cover makes it easy to monitor the bobbin thread supply. The internal skeleton of the sewing machine is constructed of heavy-duty metal. This rigid support holds all the mechanisms in perfect alignment for skip-free sewing and overall durability. Number 2 in our top is from the Janome brand. Fun colors. Serious sewing. Experience the fun of sewing with the Janome Arctic Crystal sewing machine. The Janome Arctic Crystal easy-to-use sewing machine was designed with beginners in mind. It includes an easy-to-follow instruction manual, quick start guide and YouTube video tutorials. This vibrant sewing machine also has a built-in bobbin loading guide that's impossible to miss, and is easily found within sight of the bobbin loading area. Boasting convenient features like 15 of the most popular and versatile built-in stitches, a 4-step buttonhole, adjustable stitch length and a front-loading bobbin system, this sewing machine will be one you can grow into. Don't let the fun colors fool you. This full-sized sewing machine also has an interior heavy-duty metal frame, dual retractable spool pins, and 4 presser feet. The Janome Arctic Crystal sewing machine is versatile, so you can tackle projects like garment sewing, home decor, quilting, and even heirloom projects with ease. Simply turn the length and zigzag width dial and adjust the stitch to the appropriate settings for your stitch type. Easily access the front-loading bobbin system even while your fabric is under the presser foot. With the bobbin instructions, you can easily thread the bobbin case without searching for the manual. The removable storage compartment turns this machine into a free arm. It is great for sewing small openings like a sleeve or hemming a pair of pants. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the Singer brand. The 23 built-in stitches including basic, stretch, decorative, and buttonhole stitches allow you to sew a variety of projects, such as fashions, home decor, quilts, crafts, and more. After following the threading path printed right on the machine, this built-in feature helps you to effortlessly thread the eye of the needle without eye strain or frustration. The Singer 4423 sewing machine has a maximum sewing speed of 100 stitches per minute, so projects can be sewn quickly. The 60% stronger motor provides greater piercing power for a variety of accessories are included with all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, seam ripper/lint brush, quilting guide, needles, bobbins, screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin felt are all conveniently located and stored in the accessory tray. A soft-sided dust cover is also included in the packaging thick seams. The Singer 4423 heavy-duty sewing machine is a true workhorse. With a heavy-duty metal interior frame, stainless steel bed frame, extra high sewing speed and powerful motor, this sewing machine can sew through a variety of heavyweight fabrics and provides long-lasting stability. Which sewing machine for beginners would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.